This is the ultimate beautiful spot. From the height you can see the peace, the water and nature's luxury. Can you, Hitesh, can you take me on this video? I'll stand here and just... Hi, hi. So this is the ultimate of luxury of nature. Not luxury of marble granite, but this is the luxury of natural beauty. And you have everything, water intermingled with valleys, mountains, beautiful roads, and the who's who celebrities who are privileged to be part of this existence. So we welcome you to be part of Vastuland and part of Simplicity, and you can always contact me for such beautiful properties which we search, research and connect for you, and you will find such videos on our website as simplicity.in, spelled as simplycity.in. I'm Pankaj from Simplicity, welcoming you to these heavenly places in Pune. Thank you, bye-bye. What would I do?